Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting about a founding proposal to address hunger and food insecurity in Fort Worth, Texas. This project seeks to fund to improve access to nutritious food for vulnerable families and promote better community health. Type of health related work. This project focuses on a major public health concern, which is food insecurity. By providing consistent access to healthy food and nutrition education, we can help prevent chronic diseases and support healthy growth in children. Here's a graph that shows child hunger statistics in Dallas Fort Worth. It shows that 1.47 million children face hunger and that 9 out of 10 households are food insecure. Also, 64% students are eligible for free lunch. What is the project location? The work will take place in Fort Worth, specifically in underserved neighborhood within Tarrant County. We will partner with local food pantries, schools, and clinics to reach families that are most at risk. The problem to address. The issue we are addressing is the lack of affordable, nutritious food. Many families rely on convenience food that contribute to obesity, diabetes, and other chronic illnesses. Our goal is to break this cycle through sustainable, community driven solutions. The chosen funding organization. The chosen funder is the Blocking Hunger Foundation based in Dallas, Fort Worth. Their work is to feed children and families that are experiencing food insecurity and to support projects that promote long term food access and education. Their website is blockinghunger.org. The address is shown on the screen. They can be contacted at info@blockinghunger.org. And their mission is to support inner city and low income children struggling with hunger. How the organization chooses and funds projects. The foundation funds community based projects that demonstrate measurable outcomes, such as meals distributed or families served. They prioritize sustainability and projects that engage local partners to achieve the greatest community impact. How funding affects healthcare. Funding from this organization helps health healthcare help shift healthcare from reactive treatment to proactive solutions. By providing an improving nutrition, we reduce clinic visits for malnutrition, anemia, and diet related diseases. while also expanding access to care for low income families. What is the role of the APRN? Advanced practice registered nurses will lead screening for food insecurity, provide nutrition counseling, and coordinate referral between clinics and food programs. They will monitor outcomes and they will lead evaluation of intervention impact. Relevant health metrics. The project supports Healthy People 2030 goal to increase household food security and the UN Sustainable Development Goal number 2, zero hunger. We will track metrics like the percentage of food secured household, the number of families served, and clinic screening for food insecurity. Cultural theory. The Purnell theory gives us a framework for understanding how culture influences health behavior, including food choices. By looking at the areas like family roles and community values, we can design food programs that fit people's real need. If we understand what food are culturally important, we can make sure that food assistance programs provide the families with what they actually want to eat. This will make intervention respectful and sustainable in the long run. These are my references. Any question? Thank you.